Speedy down, up to the brick fence post. Speedy!
That's the one.
Yeah. Got Fluffies, and the Grey Tabby cat is also already here. Yeah? Okay. Oh, she's making her way over. Yeah? Yeah? Did you find it? Yeah? Okay.
You sniffing?
All right.
Okay.
All right. We have cloudy skies. The sun isn't really shining, but it's, you know, it is what it is. And there's Grey Tabby cat. Jay tossed her some treats. She's just checking to see if there's more. Morning. Morning. It's okay.
Oh, so cute.
We have a red-tailed hawk on the light of the church in its back parking lot that's next door to Alvis Adobe Park. We're in the back area of the park right now, putting the food we put out for the songbirds back here. Windy. It got all of a sudden windy when we arrived at the park. And the hawk is over there. Song sparrow coming for the food that we put out. Doing the peanut pieces. Right now he's not having to share the food with anybody because he's the only one here, or at least the only one that's come out. Golden crown. peacock on the Whispering Hills Ranch shed roof. Come on, stand up so we can see all of you. Come on. We've crossed over to Whispering Hills Ranch so that we don't have trees and branches obscuring the view. But one of their beautiful peacocks is out and about this morning. We're back at Fluffy's and the sun is doing its best to shine. Ah, there's the Grey Tabby kitty. Yep. I think she's got our schedule down too. Speedy down. Speedy back.